In this video, we dive into black beans, the comprehensive guide to a nutrient-packed powerhouse.
They are a legume known as Phaseolus vulgaris, prized for their dense texture and mild flavor. Originating in the Americas 7,000 years ago, black beans were a cornerstone of ancient diets.
Their coat is rich in anthocyanins, the antioxidant that give many berries their color and benefits.
They provide fiber, protein, folate, and magnesium for heart, muscle, and brain health.
Individuals seeking plant-based protein, better blood sugar, or lower cholesterol can benefit.
However, they contain phytohemagglutinin. Cooking for at least 10 minutes neutralizes this compound.
High-fiber food may cause gas or bloating. Increase intake gradually and ensure you hydrate.
Dietary guidelines recommend about 1.5 cups of legumes spread throughout the week.
Black beans can be eaten anytime to promote satiety, helping you feel full and energized for hours.
Like and subscribe for more evidence-based nutrition content. All references are listed in the video description.